How many of your customers' cars come in with headlights looking like this? Well, they don't have to leave the same way, as I'll show you in today's Mighty Minute. Most vehicles on the road today use a halogen reflector headlamp assembly with coverings that are made typically of a plastic or polycarbonate material. A protective coating is applied to these lenses to protect them from surface scratches and UV damage. But over time, these coatings eventually break down, resulting in the yellowing and hazing you see on the lens. Not only does this detract from the vehicle's appearance, it also has a serious impact on nighttime visibility. A recent AAA study revealed that severely clouded lenses only produce about 22% as much light as brand new ones do. And considering that half of all the accidents that happen in the United States happen at night, your customer can't afford to have reduced visibility. The good news is it's a situation that can be easily remedied using this professional headlight restoration kit available from Mighty Auto Parts. Before using the kit, clean the headlights thoroughly with soap and water and dry completely. Next, use shop towels and masking tape to mask off the edges of the headlights to protect the front fascia, and then use the Surface Prep compound and included wipes to remove the damaged coating. Take your time here. The more attention you pay to the prep, the better the final result will be. With the original coating removed, use one of the supplied alcohol wipes to clean the surface for the last step, the application of the new protective coating. Spray on the coating as directed and remove any excess from any surrounding areas. Now you can be rather generous with the protective coating as you apply to the lens. It is self-leveling, you don't have to worry about smoothing it out, but you do need to avoid contact with the surface until it's had a chance to set, at least 30 minutes. A full cure, 24 hours. So advise your customers, no car washes on the way home. The Mighty Auto Parts VS7 Headlight Restoration Kit allows you to offer a valuable service to your customers, improving their nighttime visibility and the appearance of their automobile, all at a fraction of the cost of replacing the headlights. So help your customer go from this to this, all in just a few minutes. Thanks for watching.